DKNG, green dot, but not crossing the 9. DJT, green dot, not crossing the 9 though yet. Watch for this one to break out over 2750. Again, this is DJT's media company, Donald J. Trump. I don't care how you feel about him politically. He has quite the following, and we're down here back at support. Okay, boom, boom, boom. This is the area we're bouncing. Okay, again, green dot comes, what happens? We rip. Green dot comes, what happens? We rip. So level to watch on that right now. Wow, it's getting really tight consolidation there. It's going to be, looks like 25.99 there. 25.99 is the stop. Again, I want to wait to see when we break out over the 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is the level you want to watch. That orange line, watch for that breakout, but that signal is showing up on the chart there. Here's CLSK, green dot, but not breaking the 9. So a lot of these crypto mining stocks, yeah, they're giving us signals, but they're not breaking the 9. Bitcoin and everything is still trending below the 9 EMA. If you look at Bitcoin on, well, that broke up above the daily one, which is all fine and dandy. But on the, you can see on the date or on the weekly, okay, 62 is where we're sitting on the 9. Okay, if you want to see the level of the 9, you could open this menu here and you go over the candle and it tells you right there on the left-hand side, it says EMA 9, 62,590. So 63,000 is that level. I'm calling for a breakout over 64 to confirm that this bounce is legit. And that level is just the weekly candle we're getting the red dot on. So you can see that's at 64 right there. Okay, we want to get back over this candle because this is the candle we're getting the sell signal on. So once again, guys, those levels are very important for Bitcoin. I'd say 50, call it 54,000 is going to be, if we break that, I really think there's going to be a big weekly sell-off back down here to 36. Okay, if 54K breaks. If 64K breaks, we're going back up. But if 54 breaks, those are the two very, very important trade levels to understand there. Here's CELH. This is actually on my watch list already. I'm going to put DJT on my watch list. Sorry, on my watch list. Okay, so what I'm waiting for on CELH is the same thing. I want the breakout over the 9 EMA. That'll be the candle I play. This is Celsius Holdings. I used to drink their energy drink, but I don't anymore because I don't know really what's in it or anything like that. But a lot of people drink it. Okay, they're like Monster. Okay, but they're a fifth of the market cap of Monster. So if you guys don't know what market cap is, that just pretty much tells you like the market share. So CELH Holdings. Okay, so the market cap will tell you how big of a company it is. So it's about a $9 billion company. So I think of, okay, who's their competition? Their competition is Monster. Their ticker is MNST. Yep, Monster Beverage. Okay. So they're a $9 billion company. These guys are a $44 billion company. So these guys are four times smaller, but they're gaining market share. They're gaining market share because of, right, their endorsements and things like that, right? Their drinks are in every gas station. I see them everywhere I go. I see them more than I see Monster now, actually. So to me, their fundamentals are very strong, and it has been sold off all the way down from $100 all the way down here to 35. So again, as a trader, I want to capitalize on a bounce. And if we can bounce all the way back to 90, okay, that's like 100, like that's a massive move. That's 147% back to where we were. Okay, that's a big move. That's a big move. Okay, so I think the second we break the 9 on this, it's going to be epic. There's going to be a massive trade there. That one's on the watch list. Okay, I just like stocks that have been beaten down like this big, like just get everybody out, right? We're down here in despair, right? Yeah, we're down here in despair because a lot of people were buying their stock up here at $90, right? When everybody's screaming and hooping and hollering about it, everyone's super excited about it, kind of like how people have been on crypto lately. But again, when this comes, this is an opportunity for people, right, that like to buy low and sell high and, use technical analysis. So the last time we got a dot down here was right here. Again, we didn't break the 9 though. So if it's not breaking the 9, that means that green dot isn't that strong. That reversal signal isn't that strong. But like the ones like this one over here, boom, that one broke over the 9. That was a break over the 9. And what happened? It went from 50 all the way up to 100. That was a 100% move there. Boom, Celsius, rip. And They killed on their earnings. They did good, better than expected on revenue, better than expected on earnings. So they're actually making money. They're beating expectations. That's a good thing for a stock. Okay, what's not a good thing for a stock is when something's trading way up here. This is not where we should be buying or holding, right? The red dot comes, you got to sell. Red dot comes, you got to sell. Okay, CELH is going to set up massively pretty soon. Okay, wait for the break of the 9.